So today I'll be sharing with you how you can actually make money from other people's video. It is very simple and very easy, but you must apply these things I'm about to tell you. Of course, without being told, we know that you can actually make money from copying other people's video and posting on your page or on your channel, and you make money from it. However, there are ways you do this so that you can avoid violations. Yes, there are ways you do it so you can avoid violation. Of course, these machines are very intelligent that once you copy other people's video and post on your wall, they will tell you that somebody owns this video, that you don't have any right to post it. But however, there are ways you can actually do this. And one interesting thing is that you might actually post this video now and it's going well. Then when you reach monetization, or at some point, if you are monetized already, at some point you get the notification that this video, so video, probably video you posted about 2 months ago or 3 months ago, they will tell you that video is no longer monetized because it has some copyright. So there are actually things you have to do to avoid such things. All right, and in some cases, that's why you need to watch this video to the end to understand and know all the things you need to apply. In some cases, they will ban your channel or they will ban your Facebook page because you post people's video. All right, so you need to watch this video to an end so that you can actually see and learn the best ways you can post people's video and make money from it without violations. All right, so let's start. But before we start, I always beg you, one of the ways you can support me is by subscribing to this channel and commenting and liking on this video, on my videos, so that you will also get, when you subscribe, you get notifications when I drop a video about how you can grow your content. All right, so please, you have every reason to subscribe to my channel because I bring you informations concerning the social media. All right, so thank you very much for that. So the first one we'll be talking about is when you copy people's video, when you download people's video and you want to post it. Of course, you take it to your editing app, neither CapCut or InShot or whichever app you are using for edit. When you take it there, put your picture or your video and say something about that video. All right, make a comment. Now, even the comment you make matters. All right, yes, you don't know, the comment you make on every video you are about to post matters. Now, Facebook recommends that you make a positive comment about that video. Yes, make a positive comment about that video. All right, make positive comment about the video. So you must say something. At some point you have to silent that video and say something about that video before you play it. All right, so you must make a commentary about the video and say positive thing. All right, so the second one is don't post the full video. Yes, some of you are fond of copying a video of 12 minutes or 10 minutes or as the case may be. You just copy it, put your picture and post it like that on your page or on your channel. It's not good. Cut that video. You can tag the first one part 1, then tell your fans or your audience to go and watch part 2. You cut it into 2. All right, unless it's a very short video of about 2 minutes or less. But if it is video that are long, please cut it into 2 and make part 1 and part 2. All right, so don't just copy the full video and post it on your page or on your channel. All right, so the third one we'll be talking about is give credit to the rightful owner. Yes, give credit. At the end of the video, you can say, I give credit to so person, the creator of this content. Give credit to the person. These are one of the ways that even when the person sees the message, even when the person sees the video that you create with his or her video, and at the end the person sees that you acknowledge him or you acknowledge her as the creator, at least the person will be kind of feel good that, okay, you use my video but yet you give credit to me. All right, you can also tell your fans to please go and follow so person, this video is from me. You give credit to the person. All right, so please don't forget that. And the final one is make sure you stay from the beginning to the end. All right, make sure you stay from the beginning of that video to the end. Don't just put your video for 5 seconds, then you remove your face and post the full video and go to the last session and wait. No, make sure your video or your picture is there from the beginning of that video to the end. All right, make sure you do this, and believe in me, when you post it, Facebook wouldn't flag it, or even YouTube wouldn't flag it. All right, so these are some of the things you have to apply to make sure you get monetized with other people's video without violation. All right, because one thing with violation is once they strike you 1 2 3, you don't become their customer for strike with that. You don't understand? So please, you must be very, very careful to avoid anything that has to do with strike, violation, copyright. That is why you have to follow me on this channel, because of course, after this video, the next video I'll be posting teach another important thing that you need to do on your Facebook page. Oh, hey, so please, you have every reason to follow me on this page. I mean, to subscribe to this channel, and watch the videos I post, because they are quite educating and interesting. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you.